So I have issues. I have this issue of buying things and not opening them right away, especially whenever I order them online. And so today I got something I find quite useful, and hopefully you will too. That's Maple right there. Like I said, I haven't even opened it yet, so we're going to open this together. This is a console vault. It's safe for your Rivian. First, I kind of need a working area. All right. Why did it track there? Oh, now we're over here at the desk. Let's go ahead and open this. I seem to be a knife whore, per se. I love Benchmates. I don't want to show it too much online for the simple fact I don't want to be demonetized. Not that I'm monetized right now. But for the brand, yeah, let's just not showcase all the knives. Packing material. Instructions. I need these instructions. Looks like the screws that mount the safe. And then here, oh wow, that's actually smaller than I expected. So here it is. It's just going to be a safe that opens up, and it's for our center console. Maybe it's because it's a little bit smaller than what I expected. Like I said, hold up. Let me get some light over here so that you guys can see it a little bit better. Okay, we're doing it like this. So it looks like it can maybe fit 2 cans in there. And, well, yeah. So in stark contrast, we have the 4Runner one versus the Rivian. Both are still pretty solid, but as you can tell, this one is a lot bigger inside. In fact, I almost feel like I could fit this inside of there. I know I can't, but we are looks like a little bit wider, but not as deep, and pretty much just not as deep. It's a little bit longer also. Has a nice little cubby hole up here to where you could just reach in and, grip if you need to. But a nice locking mechanism. It's a 4 combo locking mechanism, same as before, but it's a totally different lock now. This feels a little bit more robust, turns quite nice. So once you actually put in your numbers and actually set your numbers to what you want, then that's how you open and close it. So in the instructions, it kind of gives me a little bit of hope, because it looks like it goes down in a deep well and still gives you storage on top. The only issue I'm finding here is, where's my SSD gonna go? Because we still have our powers here. So does that mean it's going to rest up top here? I don't know if I like that. The instructions seem pretty straightforward. We just drop this in, tighten the 4 bolts, and then we reset the password. Ain't that right, my little potato? That's all we gotta do. Oh, you drank too much water. You drank too... Maple, why have you not watched her? So let's go ahead and grab the Rivian and install this thing. It does actually recommend setting it up first with your combo before installing it. So to reset it from 0, you just add in all your zeros, and then you press this button off here to the side. After that, you hold it down. It says with the paperclip, I did it with a knife, but then you reset it to whatever password. That's not my current password. I'm not going to show you guys my current password. OPSEC. Actually, for the purpose of showing you guys this, I am going to put it at 777 right now, and I'll just reset it whenever I get inside the Rivian. Alright, so first things first, we need to actually clear this out. Alright, I like to collect napkins, okay? And apparently, Jolly Rancher trash. And seeds. I like to do farm stuff, as you guys know. For now, I'm going to disconnect the SSD for the drive cam, and then I am going to remove my power cord. And is that toothpicks? Alright, so here we go. I'm going to just drop this in one-handed. Oh, how far down does it go? Oh, it goes decently down. So now we still have the storage up here, but down here, it would be very hard for someone to come in here with a crowbar and yank this out. Your only way to yank this out is up through here, and that's if you're able to get in and undo the screws. To unlock, 7777 is my current password right now, or we're just gonna rotate this, open it up, and so now the screws go into there. Your best bet, socket with a rusty bit to it. Sorry about that. In fact, I think I just need a 10mm. There is a mat at the very bottom that will come out also. Make sure to take that out. I found that it helped if you actually just screw it in just a little bit, so that they're not just falling all over the place. And for this, using a small ratchet really helps with a 10mm, because now you could just get in there without worrying about a big one. See, the small ones do work sometimes. So now we tighten it until the head rests against the insert nut. But then you unscrew it most of the way, and then firmly hold against the side of the wall and on the side of the center console. Okay, so I guess what they mean, I'm gonna have to do this two-handed, is to press up against this side so that the screw can self-tap inside. let's go ahead and knock this out. It says tighten it all the way and then untighten it. I am kind of confused by that. I don't know why we need to tighten then untighten, but it's just what we're gonna do. I will say this is actually kind of awkward working in here. Maybe if I just lay the seat back. Oh, yes, there we go. Now I've got more working room and I could take a nap. So it actually kind of makes sense. So what you want to do is actually screw them in all the way, but don't tighten them and then unscrew them, because the self-tapping screws will make the hole that it's supposed to go through, and then you press the side, and so whenever you press the side of the console, it will seat it a lot better and make it a lot more strong. But this is what it looks like with it in right now. So I'm going to loosen them and then retighten them. Now that we got everything actually tightened in, we're good to go. We could just go ahead and shut this, and then like that, we're nice and secure. Now, let's see where our power cords will go. I mean, this is just where the power cord is, and same with the drive camera. So my one issue is, one, where will this sit while you're opening it up? I guess it could sit off here to the side, but so let's put it here, put it to your 3 o'clock, then you open it like that. Yeah, that's a little tricky, but you can put your valuables in there if you need. I wouldn't recommend your phone because your phone is going to be your key, but that's what it looks like with the Galaxy S21 nor S24 Ultra in there. Kind of long, but if you need to store your keys, your earbuds, let's picture this as something similarly shaped as that. A pew. Yeah, so we just take this, we just shut this, lock it, and there we go. So, is it worth it? Maybe for the peace of mind. Could you put something in the frunk instead? Yes, you could. Actually, I want to build a safe for the frunk. Whew. But we're all just back here, just laying down right now. I didn't realize you can actually lay this far down in this seat. I can camp in this. I don't need a rooftop tent, which I added back on. It's been sitting in my garage forever, and I scratched it the other day. I was like, I should probably get this back on. So there we have it. Decently easy install for a little bit of safety for your precious goods. You know what I mean? Your precious goods. But anyways, I'm going to test it out over the next couple weeks, see how I actually like it, because I am losing a substantial amount of storage that is inside that cubby, inside that center console. Will I like it? I don't know. I'm a thing for storage, but I do know now I could put my piece in there and have a little bit more peace of mind when leaving it in a car for whenever I need to go into a hospital or something. Yeah, or a bar. Can't bring those in while you're at a bar. But anyways, thank you guys. Let's go ahead and let me tell you about what I got coming down the pipeline. I want to do the 15K mile review on the Falcons, and I want to show you my loadout, what I usually carry every single day in the vehicle. EDCV. EDVC? Everyday vehicle carry. Basically all my safety gear, all my comfort gear, all my quality of life gear. You'll be able to check it out. Plus I need to refine it also. So you guys have a great day. Have a good night. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments below. So funny how some of these people are like, oh, you should like and